Hello YouTube. It is Burbizooka. Simple and effective home remedy for yellow nails. Many things can lead to the fact that your nails on the hands and feet will turn yellow. For example, this problem is often found in smokers. Other causes of yellow nails include nail fungus, the lack of certain vitamins in the diet, and nail polish with dark nail polish. More serious causes of discoloration of nails include thyroid disease and psoriasis. If you have yellow nails due to some internal problem, treating the underlying cause will make your nails look healthy again. But if the problem is external, you can try this home remedy to ensure the normal color of your nails. Baking soda can help remove stains on your nails and process the nail fungus. There are several ways to use baking soda as a means for yellow nails, and here are two of them. Dissolve 3 tablespoons baking soda in a basin half filled with warm water, and soak the feet for 15-20 minutes. Add enough water to 1 to 2 tablespoons baking soda to make a thick paste. Apply it to your nails and clean them with a clean toothbrush. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.